Okay, guys, and good morning. Looking into NUKK, coming in for the most parabolic explosion out of every single stock across the market. Even amidst such bearish market trends and conditions yesterday, that big market crash that came in, NUKK stock still held up beautifully. This went from literally $1 all the way up to the highs of about $80. This is over a 1,000% bull run. Another easy play, getting alerted out and then making with Billy Discord for that early parabolic seat down at the lows of $3. You ride that to the top. And Coach Crawford, Coach Crawford always throws out those hidden gems early. He threw this out on the 17th at 9 a.m. saying that NUKK stock is going to continue to run from that parabolic play. See the parabolic plays in time. Coach Crawford will continue to keep NUKK updated. Not only just from that one alert, but saying this is going to $4. This stock is about to push up over $11. And UKK stock is about to halt. Guys, again, it's easy money when you know what you're going for. And it's the same setup and same strategy every single trade. You can follow along on all of Coach Crosser's alerts from the bottom of that $1 all the way to the top of $80. They are not about to let this stock drop down. People at that $1 or in those first days, less than $15 at least, they are in the safe easy early seed. Check this out on NUKK on the bigger chart trading time frame because you can see now it's becoming massively overbought. It's broken past all previous resistances, even this initial point where it started at. It's sold off and dropped drastically from there. I'm showing you this on that far back time now, so you'll be able to understand that other stocks that haven't been out for too long, and you see them break past the initial point. That's when the real trends and real volatility and the real squeezes really start. I'm showing you this so for those of you who are watching things like ACHR, for example, can understand once it breaks past its initial point where it came out to when it had that massive sell-off, it's going to start to launch from there. ACHR can make another one of those and UKK moves. Although this thing did come out with some very hot news for those of you who don't know what's going on. And welcome everybody joining in on the Bank with Billy Classroom. Everybody is welcome to join in on the Bank with Billy Classroom where we be in here doing all of our live trades, all of our live sessions. I'm in here 24/7 doing videos and all of that stuff. So and my goal is to make sure that everybody can succeed. Okay, it is not all about me. It's about community. It's about family. It's about growth, and it's about togetherness. Okay, if we can all continue our studies 24/7 together, it is nothing but progression. And you guys have seen me in a 24/7 live classroom every day for years doing nothing but studying, building businesses, and expanding. You need to focus, okay? Sacrifice that time it takes to put into your studies, whether you're doing it over here, whether you're doing it over there, whether you're doing it in the morning time, nighttime, you got to devote something and find a way to make the markets a part of your actual natural life day in and day out, or you will not be able to become the full-time trader or achieve your goals and whatnot. But big news on NUKK. Now, the very good alert out there, Coach Crawford, if you are seeing this, for those of you who don't know what's been going on the day of those alerts going out, was about nuclear stock skyrocketing 12 times. And that was just a couple days ago. It's gone way past that after acquiring controlling stake in Israeli Iron Dome supplier, Ryman. That's a retail frenzy takeover that's happened. Okay, and the total purchase stood at a $26 million, including cash and promissory notes. For I know about promissory notes. We'll talk about more about promissory notes in another video. It's going to be a real deep dive lesson to get an understanding on that. And you don't need to know that to understand the markets, but it is another big cheat code that those big whales and whatnot be using. So for Nucleus common stocks, this is for Nucleus common stocks, and they got warrants to purchase additional shares of the common stock, giving us even things to look forward to in the future. This 51% stake 51. They are to acquire. This news came even after that. To acquire 51% interest in Star 26 Capital. I don't even know what Star 26 Capital is, but this is hot news coming out from them back to back. They just came out with this most latest update. This is just 2 hours ago about how Nucleus announces a strategic $10 million private placement priced above the market under NASDAQ rules. This is going to continue to add to the bullish sentiment and going to be more reason for a lot of people to want to continue to hold in and look for a longer term. This stock at these $65, only people that fit to be able to get things like this now is the big wells and institutions. It's up at like $80 right now. It's over for small retail. So the next moves is going to be happening. Is going to be from those extra larges. And you can see right now, I'm showing you this in real time, minute by minute here on Moomoo. Extra large, even though you got larges and smalls and mediums going out, you got the extra larges that are still coming in because they know that small retail can't go for it no more. They know small retail and day traders, you won't be able to wreck it for them at these highs once all the big wealth institutions continue to go. We're gonna keep this one updated on NUKK, so be looking forward to this one later on. We're gonna watch this balance sheet start to look very, very good here in the next couple of updates. So I'll see y'all in the next one. In happy trade.